Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Bandai which came from the series Mobile Suit Zeta Gundam. And this is one of the protagonist model kit, which is the RX-178 Gundam Mark II, which is also piloted by the protagonist character Camille Bidan. Not just in Zeta Gundam, it also appears in the Gundam Double Zeta. And I'm happy that I bought this from Toy Town at the price of 2,000 pesos, but I made a discount from Shopee and I bought this for 1,700 pesos. And if you are a modeler which goes in competition here in the Philippines, better buy model kits from Toy Town because it has the Banky sticker. Yep, you can see here the Banky sticker. And this is one of the qualifications for you to join the competition. Anyway, I'm not into competition, I'm into collecting model kit only. And let's build this kit right now. This is the box art of Gundam Mark II from the anime Zeta Gundam. So this is an AEUG prototype mobile suit, or the Anti-Earth Union Group, which from the story they stole the original Mark II from the Titans, the antagonist group in that series, and they changed the color of this into the traditional protagonist color code, which is the black, white, yellow, and red color. So this mobile suit is a 2.0 from Bandai. So we can see here a Master Grade version 2.0. So this is not that good as of this year, because this is a model released from 2005. So still some of the mechanisms and detailings of those kits are not quite impressive. And I think it cannot par with the model kits right now, because most model kits right now have this very meticulous articulation and also design. But anyway, since I am a fan of this model kit in that series, I chose to buy this because Bandai already, I think, forget or abandoned doing some renovation or additional production for this model kit, for this Gundam Mark II. So they didn't made any upgrade of this kit anymore. Anyway, let's check this box so we can see. Here we're looking at the Gundam Mark II with there's an exploding Zaku on its back, and it's flying into space. And the side of the box, we can see the front view of the Gundam Mark II, and yep, some accessories here. So the face, the shoulder gimmicks or the forearm gimmicks here, so it can do a 180 flex here. Then the legs, so the torso has a cockpit, and the weapon, there's a shield, 2 beam sabers, beam rifle, and some energy magazine or energy pack, and some bazooka, and this Vulcan pod system. And in this kit, there's an included stand, which is very nice on that year. To be honest, there's a pros and cons, or there's an advantage and disadvantage also on the older kits, because older kits sometimes they have a good bonuses for their kits. Like this is a Gundam Mark II from 2005. They include a stand like this, which you cannot see now on most model kits, the latest model kits from Bandai. Anyway, this is one of the kudos from this kit, because I like kits with a stand included. Even though I will not use this stand, still it's a bonus. And in the other side of the box, you can see got the Mark II posing here. Some clips from the anime, and there's a flying pose, lunging pose, something like that. So if we open the box of the Gundam Mark II, you can see the instruction manual. So the instruction manual has the same design from the box art. So there's this Gundam Mark II here, and the traditional Gundam way of printing manual before. There are so much explanation, but I cannot read it because it's in Japanese, unfortunately. And you can see the parts list here. It's not that much. Maybe I can build this within 2 hours or 3 hours, depending on my mood. And there we can see black and white printouts. And in the middle of the manual, we can see the variations of Gundam Mark II. There's this 144 scale, this one, and okay, it's my first time to see a 1 and 220 scale, so this is very small. There's this 1/100 high grade, master grade. So the difference between this one, the 1/100, and master grade is master grade has more detail. And there's this perfect grade here, and we can see some inner frame here from the kit. So the inner frame is I think there's a screw included, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see later. And here in the back, we can see color guidelines if you want to paint your kit. Anyway, I'm not into painting my kit. And there's this how to make Gunpla for the newbies. Sorry for that, there's a noisy motorcycle outside. So let's go to the pack, and you can see the packs here. There is included these astronauts here. It's a bonus included with the stand. So if you want to make a diorama for this kit, there's this included pilots here. They're the repairman for your kit. So you will put them in the stand with the wire. And speaking of wire, there's this guide or wire here, guided wires for your repairman. So these are white runners here. We have gray runners for the inner frame, and yep, this is another bonus for this kit, because I'm the person who likes articulated fingers and hands for my model kit. So there's this articulated hands here included. So for inner frames, and voila, there's this stand, which is very nice. You will not see stand like this anymore from other model kits, because as I know, Bandai already made stand as a separate product, so you'll buy it separately. It's sold separately. So there's this bonus stand here, very nice, very nice. And we have here inner frame parts and bazooka parts here, and beam saber. We have white parts here for the armor pieces. We have red parts for the feet. And finally, we have yellow parts and some silver pieces here for the pistons. And so, as always, we'll have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So let's start on these white runners here. So we have runner B for the shield, leg pieces or leg armor pieces, and for this bazooka, we have here two sets of runner C for the white parts. We have black pieces here, black runners for runner E. This is runner E. We have manipulator hands or manipulator kit here. So this is runner K. We have runner A, I think. Yep, I presume, and I'm correct. This is runner A for the multi-colored runners here. We have tons of polycaps. So this kit uses much polycaps. The rampant thing during that year 2005. There are kits have much polycaps included. So we have here runner F for purplish gray runner. And purplish gray runner here, we have runner D, and finally we have runner G. And for these small runners here, we have this silver parts here, so I did not open it yet to avoid scratching. So these are pistons for the feet, and we have red runners here for the feet. This is runner J1. We have yellow parts here for runner H. And finally, we have a small runner here for the white runners, runner I. And we have beam saber effect, the usual beam saber effect. And I did not open yet this stand here because I want to preserve this. Maybe I can sell this from in the future, but as of now I'll just keep this stand. And we have here guided wires. These are wires for your pilot diorama. And we have here thread. It's like a shoelace for some I think this will be for the tubings behind the legs and the booster. So this is included. And we have here stickers and decals. These are foil stickers for the eyes and camera lenses for the guns. So I will post a review of this kit after I finish building it, and I hope you follow all my videos for my unboxing, and in the future I'll do reviews for the kits after I finish all my backlogs. As you can see, I have so much backlogs in my back. So this is just a partial, and some of my kit is under my bed, and inside there are another backlogs in that room. Okay guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, and take care. Happy building, and see you next time.